Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashwarya here and you are watching Learning with S. So this is a day 7 of English speaking practice challenge day of 36 30 of 7 day 7. So today's I'm talking about a very important topic, that is self love. I'm speaking about this because it's time to be practice. It's time to implement our all rules I shared in a recent video, some previous videos. So this is how you have to implement all the shadow technique, the mirror technique I shared with you, and various things I shared with you to write, read, and speak. And that is so you have to implement that very much. And second point is that I am talking about the self love because this is very important in our era. So this is for special for girls, because we have to be emotionally very intelligent, and we have to become stronger from physically also, and plus mentally also, because mental strength is very important. You have to handle a very situation they are coming in your life, they're facing, we are facing, and you have to push hard to yourself, because that is it. You are responsible for your journey, you are responsible your failures, you are responsible for your mistake. No one is responsible, and you have responsible your success. So you have to clap for yourself, but when no one is watching, when no one is appreciating you, you have to clap yourself hard, because you had doing great. You have to track your progress every day. Please track your progress, what you do today. This is right or wrong, this is you are in a right direction or not. तुम जो कर रहे हो सही कर रहे हो, तो ये तुम्हारे गोल तक पहुंचने के लिए ये जो कर रहे हो तुम, ये सच में जरूरी है या नहीं. This is very important. So you have to track regularly to yourself. So today's this is a cozy night when I treat myself like a girl who is love with some cozy things, like I do some massage of my hairs, and apply an aloe vera gel. So this treats my skin very well. And this is now summers are coming, and girls treat your skins, and do some exercise also. But it's not your beauty only. You have to become a beauty plus brain, and become a physical strong and mentally strong also. You have to work on a four aspects of yourself. This is for a girls, because we are facing a very problems like depression, and various like some we when we are aspirant of any, we are doing preparation for any exams, we have need to be patience in our self. So you do to do 5 minutes meditation. I do I fluctuated with my routine, but I obviously I try it to do meditation more and more in my life, and I do worshipping the god, and I'm surrender everything to god. In the end I work. So this is very naturally comes with your culture, so you have to do or not. But this is this prayers works. So prayers like a meditation. So you have to talk to god. This is very important. Talk to yourself, talk to yourself in a positive way, positively. And in this era, क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि this generation and this era is a very hypothetical, and हमें सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी चाहिए. We have no patience. मेरे अंदर भी नहीं होता है कभी कभी. And I treat myself, I trying this to learn, and I am trying to, this is the best way that our the best way to meditation is best way to become a patientful person, because patience is very important in our जो हम लोग प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो समझ ही सकते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. So you have to work hard. When no one pushing, you have to push yourself. You have to clap for yourself. You have to शाबाशी देनी है अपने आप को. कि कर रहे हो, बेटर कर रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो, जहाँ गलती हो रही है उसको प्रोग्रेस करो, सॉरी उसको उसको ध्यान दो, उससे सुधारो कि तुम जहाँ तक पहुँचना चाहते हो उसके लिए सही है, यहाँ ये डायरेक्शन सही है, ये नहीं है। तो इस तरह से एक हर दिन प्रोग्रेस करनी है, हर दिन तुम्हें अपने आप को याद दिलाना है. दैट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड आई एम ट्राइंग, जस्ट ट्राइंग. आई एम इन दिस डे आई एम लिटरली से, आई ट्रूली से दैट आई ऑनेस्टली, आई एम ऑनेस्ट कि मैंने is this day one I don't learn any new video of English. I don't learn, so I decided to make a video what is going on my head. This is so previous days I learned more, much more, but I today I didn't learn anything one video, because I have many works on my college, and various things are behind the scene. I don't want to tell you, because there is a very that situation is coming and I'm fluctuating from my routine, so I have to continue myself. मैं इसलिए अपने आप को याद, I remembered, इसलिए याद दिला रही हूँ. I remembered myself to make a video that you have to become consistent, you have to become in a focused way. So all of us are the aspirants, and who are doing any job, who are doing any preparing for the exams, and various things are going on. Someone has work to do. सबकी लाइफ में कुछ कुछ ना होता है, लेकिन दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड एट द एंड वी hustle with peoples, we laugh with peoples many time in our day, friends, laughing with friends, and uh, enjoying with family, and but at the end we are alone. At the end, this is very clear, then this is very truth about ourselves, that is in the end you are alone. शाम के समय, शाम होते ही तुम ही हो अपने पास. You are alone with yourself, so you treat yourself like a very very princess. Boys, treat like yourself you are prince, and you have to take care of yourself, nourish yourself, do some exercise regularly, push yourself, drink very much water, because there is a summer starts coming. I want to talk, I want to share to both of girls and boys that you are doing well, great in your life, and push yourself to in the way that कि तुम सही में जो काम कर रहे हो, तो तुम इस काम से तुम पहुंच सकते हो कि जो जहाँ तुम सोच रहे हो. You have to track yourself, your progress. So I'm making this video not for fun. And not for shuttering and talking lots of things like motivating yourself, you are and flexing. That this is not. I'm just talking a true things that come in my mind. Because English, I'm beginning with English because this English is not a language. It is a tool to communicate, a tool to express your words, express your feelings. So don't be any compared to other selves. To there are very fluent in English. They are very but their circumstances, you don't see in their struggles, their circumstances, their environment. They have things I haven't. So this is more important than comparing to other selves. Learn from your mistakes, do mistakes. This is not bad. Mistakes are not bad, because we are all are human beings. The mistake is not your only thing. The decide one mistake does not decide your future. So you have to don't afraid to try. Just try the new things. Just try to build yourself. Just try to be more better, each day better, and and follow your dreams, follow your passion, follow your dream. Just you do more of just you like, and treat for your parents, take care of your parents. This is an on the end, and your parents and you are stood with yourself, and no one is stood with yourself. So this is true harsh truth of these days, this era. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you will get any moral values from me, because I'm not that. I'm just trying to become that type of girl, and I'm in my mind. This things are traveling like an aerospace, and I'm just sleeping there, and I thought that बना ही लेते हैं यार, नहीं कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं तोड़नी चाहिए. That's my gut to become to make an video. So अगर तुमको कुछ भी अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब कर लो to watch and more videos, and that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye lovely people, and namaste.